anytime I'm laying out a garden, so I'll start with Jen's question and kind of look at that and say, okay, first question is kind of how do I have room to harvest? I'm planting that dense. Well, one of the keys to this is making sure that you have pathways within reach of the entire space. And so the other, and what you're doing effectively, so if I've got a big in-ground space, and then I've got a wall, let's say I've got a wall on one side of me, it's like from the wall, I'm wanting to only plant, I'm going to have a growing bed that's no further away from the wall than I can reach it. And then where my foot is, which is basically 1/2 your height. So everybody has dimensional alignment with your garden. If you want to be able to maintain your garden, you never want to have a garden wider than you are tall. And that's if you can walk on both sides. So a garden no wider than you are tall, because just based on, human nature, it's like you can reach about half that distance. And so if you're on the side and you can then reach to the center on one side, and you can reach to the center on the other side. So you never want a garden wider than you are tall. And then if it's up against a wall, it's never going to be wider or farther from the wall, the end of that garden, than 1/2 your height. And that's to ensure that you can reach everything within that garden space. And so little stepping stones, little pathways, whatever you need to do to divide up your garden space to make it easy to manage is you'll have walkways no further than your entire height. So every whatever your height is, if Jack's garden's obviously going to have a lot more space between his gardening, stepping stones than my garden. But if you're like me on the shorter side or mid size, you're going to have the normal 4x8 kind of garden, right?